In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then scroll down again to click on face unlock. Following that, enter your current screen lock and then hit more at the bottom right corner. When you see I agree, tap on it. And then get ready. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Select Start and scan your face. Then select Done at the bottom right corner. And now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!